Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to connect Printify to Amazon. First of all, open up the Printify official website. Then, you will find out the process of how to connect Printify to Amazon. After that, register for an Amazon professional seller account if you don't already have one. A professional plan starts at $39.99 per month plus referral fees. Now request TIN exemption from Amazon. Once the integration is set up, you can start uploading your Printify products to your Amazon seller account. This usually involves selecting products from your Printify store and listing them on Amazon. When customers place orders on Amazon for the products you've listed, Printify will automatically handle the printing, production, and shipping of those products to the customers. You can track orders and manage the fulfillment process through your Printify account. After your products are live on Amazon, it's important to promote them to increase visibility and sales. Use Amazon advertising tools and other marketing strategies to attract customers. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.